Good morning, everybody, and welcome to Lesson 4. And Lesson 4 and part of Lesson 5 will be spent doing a little bit of review. We do have a test upcoming in a few more lessons. So I just wanted to take a second, take a step back, really review this material thoroughly, and make sure that we're ready to proceed forward. Because remember, we are forming a foundation here, this plus the equations that we have upcoming. We had a quiz yesterday in class at the end of lesson 3. Unfortunately, when I'm recording these videos, you guys haven't even taken the quiz yet. So I can't review the quiz with you. That's the one downside of what we have going on here. But without any further ado, we're going to review the concepts that were on the quiz. Well, actually, with some further ado, we'll do that in just a second. But we also have a quiz at the end of class today. All right, so here is the next quiz in today's lesson. A little pregame stretch, get those mental muscles loosened up. Translate each of the following into an algebraic expression. We have 4 questions there. Again, we're going to do that stop, start. Yes, the stop, start technique, where I'm going to stop the video at this point. You are going to work on all of these questions and then check your answers. Then I'll talk about them. I don't know how long it's going to take you to do it, maybe 2 minutes, maybe 1 minute, maybe 3 minutes. On my end, I'm going to open this up right away and get started, so you better pause the video. There you go. All right, the first one says 12 more than 5 times a number. More than, less than, tricky situation. Last shall be first, first shall be last. So the 12 was first, it shall be last. So plus 12. And then 5 times a number is 5x or 5n, whatever you choose, whatever variable. I just want to emphasize the whole idea of this explanation of 12 more than 5 times a number. More than what? More than 5 times a number. So you have to start with the 5 times a number and then do 12 more than it. Next, 6 times the sum of a number and 4. 6 times what? Is it 6 times the number? No, it's 6 times the sum. So the first thing you have to do is the sum, which is in parentheses, x plus 4. Then multiply that by 6. Technically, you're allowed to put the 6 after the parenthesis, but we don't want to do that because it makes us look in awkward places for things, and it messes up our train of thought. So get used to putting that 6 in front. I'm sure just about everybody did that anyway. 8 subtracted from 2 times a number. From goes first. Remember the little diagram going to New York from Los Angeles? You start in Los Angeles. So whatever follows from, that goes first. So 8 subtracted from 2 times a number. Since it's from 2 times a number, the 2 times a number has to go first. That is why it is 2x first and then minus 8. And last, the quotient of one less than a number and twice a number. Quotient means to divide. So we have the division going on here, okay? And then the other thing is, it says the quotient of what? Well, one less than a number, first shall be last shall be first. That more than, less than, ding, 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 they catch attention. Danger, 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 as Steve Irwin would say. So one less than a number, last shall be first shall be last, x minus 1. And what is the quotient division? That's why the fraction symbol, and twice a number. Twice the number is 2x. So I think those are fairly challenging algebraic expression translation questions, and hopefully you did well.